Conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself, when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary.
What is up, y'all? So right now I am currently getting ready to go. My first appointment is at 11:55. It's 11:09, and the roads are so bad, so I'm gonna try to leave at least 40 minutes early, so I really should be like on the road right now. But I'm gonna put some socks on, throw on some shoes. I'm dressing cozy today because I don't have like a whole bunch of clients. I'm also gonna try to hit the gym after work, so I need to pack a little lunch, snack, whatever you want to call it. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to leave my hair down or like put it up.
Do to make you feel this, not like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your solid tree. That means no missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been up, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the mission. You don't wish it was different than what it was. I've been up, baby. Lost in the night. Lost in the night. If you wonder if I hate you, I do. Share you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Share you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you, share you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this.
Okay, so my 9 a.m. canceled, right? I was up since like 7. I still be running late. Like, I don't understand how I always tend to do this to myself and wait till last minute to do everything. So yeah, anyways, I have my camera bag inside of my gym bag with my fanny pack. I'm gonna get my winter jacket, the black one.
But just so I can wax. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love sometimes. Yeah. Flexing on my exes and my bottle. Skinny little bitty body model. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and so I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the phone. Down in my home, got nothing alone. I am on my own now. I am pretty strong. I need you to go now. I can be my own. Back up on.
Okay, y'all. I am in the car. I gotta make sure I bring my water inside with my meal. Okay, let's go because your girl is running so late. This is my first time driving since the snowstorm. Your girl can't drive, okay? And I'm just hoping, praying that these studs that are on the car do what they're supposed to do. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. That's a car under all that snow. Look at this car. How are you driving? Okay.
I can't fuck with lanes like you.
just did this soft pink solid color. Nothing too crazy, so I didn't really record much of it. This pimple is insane. We're just setting up for my next appointment, and I believe that that is gonna be a fill. Then I think I'm about to drink this kombucha, because this one's my favorite one. Coconut lime. If you like kombucha. Okay, my next one's at 1:10. It is 1 o'clock right now. Show Instagram that I'm vlogging. I need to do better with like my social medias again, and just get back on YouTube, get back on TikTok, because honestly I kind of miss like talking to y'all. Ooh.
I did see something, but I saw that you said, you know, I should have put that in the description.
The appointment thingy?
Yeah, I don't know how.
Sometimes I'll have time for it, depending on what it is. If not, then we'll make adjustments. But
I wanted something either like this,
okay.
or of course not those nails because I put the full set.
What shape are you looking for? Like a coffin-y, or do you want to go more taper?
I don't know.
Okay.
I want you to do whatever.
What color do you want your ombre?
I want you to do whatever.
Okay, but you know for sure you want an ombre.
Finally.
In the future, do you get fills or do you do full sets? Like every time?
You want to know how long it's been since I got my nails done?
United in a way.
Now I do work with children, so I want them not too long.
Okay.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. I'm knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on the back, gonna be your last. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them the drawers and be with her. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that.
Just
I know, I'm like,
Ready to give you what you been missing on weekdays, what you been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, baby reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you, wish it was different than what it was.
Okay, y'all. So, I am not about to go to the gym. It is 7:30. I thought I was gonna get done sooner. Her baby shower is tomorrow, and instead of getting like basic nude nails, she wanted designs, so I just fit her in. So I went like 30 minutes over my scheduled time, but yeah, I'm not gonna go to the gym. I'm just gonna hop in my car, go home, shower. I just cleaned, like mopped the floors, swept the floors, wiped down my tables, my seats, and all that stuff. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I don't know really what this video is. Like, I guess a day with me. I don't know. I just need to get back into the habit of posting on YouTube because your girl's been slacking, but that's okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or whatever the YouTube people say. And I'll catch you on the next one. Follow me on all social media platforms at Nails by Lil Holly. I'll put it on the screen here. Go follow me. I also have a podcast called Nail Tech Nation. That's on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Look it up. Or click the link in my bio on my Instagram and it'll lead you right to it. Your favorite nail tech from Alaska is out. Bye.
If you want it, if I hate you.